Coding in computer science. Coding, also referred to as programming, is the process of creating step-by-step instructions for computers using programming languages. It is just like solving a maths problem. Just like any other maths problem, some coding approaches are more efficient than others. There may be many ways to solve a problem. Similarly, there could be more than one way to write a code for the same task and achieve a similar result. For example, suppose you are playing a video on your smartphone. Your phone is a computer that needs instructions to do anything. The app playing the video provides those instructions. This video playing app is an example of coding. Where else do we see applications of coding? Most of us knowingly or unknowingly engage with programming, be it inside our homes or outside. Coding in the modern world can be found on the streets, in the schools, at the local grocery stores, etc. Some of the practical examples of coding in the real world are interaction with barcode scanners at shopping stores, scanning QR code to make payment, booking tickets for movies, buses, trains, or flights online, confirming the doctor's appointment in healthcare sector, making animations, video games, music, etc. Chrome, Safari, Firefox, Edge, Opera, Yahoo. Computer software we use like web browser, MS Word, etc.